Explore a thrilling opportunity to earn money online in 2024. This video uncovers a method where you can receive $65 for each video you watch, and it won't cost you a dime. If you're seeking a straightforward and convenient way to increase your earnings, this guide is a must-see. Discover how you can transform your time spent watching videos into a reliable source of income without any initial expenses. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Watch the video now and embark on your path to making money online.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits. This is Money Mentor. If you want to stay updated on new online money-making methods, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell to get you notified whenever we upload new videos. This channel is open to all opinions, so feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below.
Get ready to start making money online. First, go to Google and type in twitch.tv. Click on the first link that shows up, and you'll be taken to the Twitch website. It's a cool place where you can watch all kinds of videos and channels for free. Most of the videos are about gaming, which is what we're going to focus on to make money. Once you're on the Twitch website, look for the Browse button at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll see different categories and lots of videos to choose from. One of the most popular categories is Fortnite, with over 91 million fans. So let's check out the Fortnite videos. As you scroll through the Fortnite category, you'll find tons of videos to watch and earn money from. You'll see skilled gamers and creators sharing their gameplay, strategies, and commentary. Your job is to be an engaged audience member, watching and enjoying the videos. That's how you'll start making money on Twitch. Now, let's move on to the next exciting step of your online income journey. Go to oki.io, a website that helps you earn money just by watching videos. It's super easy to use and will guide you through the process. Before you know it, you'll be making extra income in no time. To get started, sign up for a free account on oki.io. This will give you access to a wide range of opportunities. Once you have successfully registered, you can take advantage of oki.io's unique feature, which allows you to shorten any URL link. For example, if you have a video link from twitch.tv, you can simply copy and paste it into oki.io, and with a single click, it will be shortened. This shortened link will then become your key to earning money. Oki.io rewards you for each click on your shortened link, and the amount you earn varies depending on the country of the visitor. For instance, a click from Germany might earn you $4, while a click from the United States could earn you $4.10. Viewers from Australia will contribute $5 to your earnings. This opportunity is global, with people from all over the world using this method to make money online. Some individuals even make hundreds of dollars daily. As you accumulate your earnings, oki.io offers various payment options, such as PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. This range of choices ensures a seamless and convenient way for you to receive your hard-earned money.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
To begin your rewarding journey, simply click on the sign up button. This will allow you to create your account without any initial investment. During the registration process, you will need to provide your preferred username, email address, confirm your password, and complete the robot verification. Step 1. Once you have successfully signed up, log into your newly created account to access your personalized dashboard. Within this dashboard, you will find valuable statistics such as the number of clicks on your links and your earnings with oki.io. These insights make it easy to make money online. By actively participating on the platform and using shortened links, you can earn tangible financial rewards and turn your free time into a profitable venture. Embrace the vast potential of oki.io and unlock the opportunity to improve your financial standing while effortlessly earning money. To make it even easier for you to make money while enjoying watching your favorite game, we have prepared convenient and ready-to-use scripts. Just follow these simple steps to get started. Embark on your journey by unveiling the captivating essence of Fortnite, emphasizing its adrenaline-fueled battles, strategic gameplay, and myriad adventures that have captivated gamers worldwide. As users click on these shortened links, a string of earnings will flow your way, with the amount varying depending on the visitor's geographical location. Embrace the expansive reach of Fortnite's global fan base as you share your favorite videos with an eclectic audience spanning the globe. The excitement of experiencing epic gameplay and awe-inspiring moments is now amplified by the opportunity to generate income through your love for gaming. Take your immersion into the gaming realm to the next level by immersing yourself in the vibrant community of forums.pcgamer.com. This esteemed online hub serves as a sanctuary for gaming enthusiasts from all walks of life, with Fortnite reigning supreme as a prominent topic of discussion among its diverse user base. Harness the potential of this thriving community to elevate your earning potential to unprecedented heights. Equipped with the convenience of our meticulously crafted script, seize the chance to disseminate your shortened links among forum users. Engage with fellow gamers by actively participating in discussions, sharing valuable insights, and showcasing your unwavering passion for Fortnite. As you contribute meaningfully to the community, subtly introduce the captivating world of Fortnite videos through our carefully tailored template. This script, intricately designed to captivate the interest of forum members, serves as a gateway to your exhilarating content. Each click on your links within the forum presents an opportunity to generate income, fostering a mutually beneficial relationship between you and your curious audience. By tapping into the extensive user base of forums.pcgamer.com, you unlock a plethora of opportunities for exposure for your Fortnite videos. Embrace the collaborative spirit of community-driven engagement, where passionate gamers converge to share their enthusiasm and uncover captivating content. Expanding your revenue streams is as simple as leveraging popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter to share your money link and boost your earnings. By consistently implementing this strategy, you'll quickly find yourself accumulating up to $65 in daily passive income, all without any upfront investment. Harness the power of social media to maximize your earning potential and effortlessly grow your income stream with each click.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to be updated with our new videos. Once again, this is Money Mentor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.